The first ring light I have is in my office because it's not the best lighting in there. And I need a second source of lighting without having to use my studio lights, if that makes sense. Hey, sweetie fam. Welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Patriot Denise, produced by ZNA Productions. And your favorite plus size stylist is back with an unboxing and a review. But before we get into that, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I drop a video every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. And on this channel, I create family, fashion, lifestyle content, and this is the place to be for all of that. And that's on period. I'm reviewing an amazing ring light. This right here, there's no other like this, okay? When I started in the content biz, I purchased 3 studio lights. All 3 were from, is it Neewer? I think that's what it's, the Neewer? I don't know. That was in, what was that? 2019. It is currently 2023, so almost 4 years later, those lights are still in business here and here. 2 lights right there, and I've never had to purchase light bulbs for them. And I literally run them like all day. They have fallen. Now one of them kind of got a loose bulb a little bit, however, charged to my head, not to my heart. But for the most part, out of 4 years, and I moved twice, 2 or 3 times. I done moved, I done bought a house, I done did all that. So with these box lights, and okay, all right. This was probably like about five months ago. I decided to purchase a ring light, and the last 2 ring lights I purchased, they was like this big. You really couldn't see nothing on them, and so I was like, okay, I really got to get the right ring light. So I went to the brand that I know and love. That is the Neewer ring light. This is a smartphone ring light kit. It comes with the tripod as well as the ring light. This is the size of it. I'm almost sure this is 18 inches. Let me see. Yes, it is an 18-inch ring light. So the ring is actually really, really big. And this is my second one. Okay, this is my second one. First one, not even thinking about it, y'all. I didn't even unbox it. I just opened it up and I put it together and I started to use it. The first ring light I have is in my office because it's not the best lighting in there, and I need a second source of lighting without having to use my studio lights, if that makes sense. The ring light I did have down here, which was smaller, probably about 10 inches or so, that I was using behind my desk. I took it upstairs for my kids to use. So we're gonna pull it on out the box. Ooh, y'all, this is heavy a little bit. This is the bag that it comes in. They always package their lights so well. I had a brown cylinder style box in there, and then it had the black travel bag. It's actually a very nice sturdy bag. Here is the tripod. I want to say with this tripod, it goes super tall, and I'm about 5'3.5", but it actually goes pretty tall. Okay, here's another piece. It actually goes really tall, so I'm actually very happy about that. So we have the tripod here. Let's see. Oh wait, maybe I should unloose it. So all I did was turn this knob here, and then we're gonna stretch them legs out, and this will be how it stands. And we're just gonna set the ring light just right here. I'm just gonna tighten this. Okay, and then now I'm gonna tighten it. So this is how it's standing, y'all. So this currently right now, as y'all can see, my hands up here. That's the top, and then it has 3 notches where you can extend it, and I'm just gonna extend that for you guys so that you can see that. So for my long-legged baddies, It's literally on the floor, and I know y'all can't see that, but it's literally on the floor with me. On the floor, flat. It's not flat, but it's on the floor, and it's taller than me. I'm about 5'3". So this has to go to about 5'9", maybe even 5'10". It's actually really tall. So let me see if I can show y'all how it looks on the floor. It's literally like I'm standing. Like I'm not doing nothing major. I'm literally just standing next to it, and it's super tall. So let's get into the ring light. So this light was $129. It fluctuates about $5 to $10 up and down. Comes with this box on the inside with goodies in it, as well as the actual ring. Okay. Besides that, I'm gonna set this one to the side too. Okay. So this is the ring where the light's gonna be lighting. Again, this is an 18-inch smartphone ring light kit from the Neewer brand. I probably should have bought a ring light a long time ago. So here is the cord that you would plug into the wall, and then that portion that plugs into here. Okay, and it's really simple and easy to plug it in. Done. Next, we have the glass that goes over each section. You'll see where the sections start and stop. You have a Bluetooth clicker if need be, as well as this portion that goes to the cell phone. To your cell phone as well. But you also can use this piece for your camera, because I have used my camera, my Sony, propped it on here with the great lighting. Gets the job done, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now they also have different color light caps, but I don't need that. Okay, so let's put the light caps on here. Okay, so we have all of the light caps on each section. Very simple, very easy. They come out very simple. The only thing you need to line up is this piece down here. Does cover this, I guess you want to say, kind of lump there, which is a part of the ring light. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once I got it on there, I'll just tighten it. Voila, done. Power cord is all hooked in to the ring light. Now let's turn it on. Oh, okay. This is an LED smartphone ring light from the Neewer brand. I literally swear by this brand. Swear by it. I have 3 studio box lights. Had them for years, no issues. And now this is my second ring light from the brand in 6 months. Yeah, so you can turn it up, turn it down. I definitely believe that if you are interested in being a creator, you have any type of budget, instead of investing into a camera, use your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, I don't know much about Android when it comes to creating content, okay? But if you have a little extra money, your birthday coming up, you know, somebody's like, hey, I'm gonna give you a couple $100. Invest in your ring light. The lighting is the most important thing when it comes to your content. And I believe that if you invest in the right lighting, specifically the Neewer brands, you will be very happy with the way your content looks. So shout out to Neewer for this ring light. It was very easy and simple. I actually did not put this part on there, so let me do that real quick. So this is the part where you can either put your camera or your cell phone on it. First you gotta twirl it. My bad, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then from that aspect, I could either just put my camera right here, which it'll be like this, or I'll put my cell phone, which I do it all the time. If you're looking for a good ring light, the Neewer ring light is the one to go to. The link for this particular ring light and my other one will be in the description. It's still of the Neewer brand. Everything always comes on time, all the pieces to it. I never have any problems with Neewer. So shout out to Neewer for continuing to be loyal and adorable equipment for content creators or any creator in general. And I am forever patient Denise, and y'all be sweet. Smooches.